We met in Denver, snow on the ground. You flew from Mars, I drove you round. New Jersey pews, God cracked the sky, healed the broken, made the blind see why. Then I called you back, van packed tight, 8 hours south to Navajo night, Mescalero dust, Ganado wind. We chased his fire, let it begin. Oh, Raft brother, look how far we rode, from hitchhiking prayers to miracles told. You gave that buckle away, silver gleam, but I got you another, same dream. God's love wrapped around every mile we drove. I miss that van, that holy road. Come back someday, we'll ride again. He still shows up, my Aussie friend. Souls lit up fast, a lady paralyzed stood at last. You laughed at Earl's bought that shine, gave it to a stranger, man, that's divine. Monument Valley rocks like altars tall, we led 'em home, watch the spirit fall. I see you now, halfway across the sea, silver on your belt, but you're missing me. Those desert nights, laughter in the dark. God loves you fierce, left his mark. If you ever land, I'll load the tank, we'll pick up strays, fill the bank. He's still here, and so are you.